Just very interested in the concept of bass culture. One of Michael's colleagues, I think bass is important and interesting, not just as a sonic experience, but as a concept, an idea that conveys experiences about being post-colonial, being working class, being from London. And I think it's important to try and galvanise the experience of being from the UK, but also being related to let's call it Black Atlantic culture and music. So that London is a kind of a site for this kind of musical hybridity. I think is really important. And I think politically, the idea of bass culture is really significant. Bass as a sound is porous; it goes through the body. And I think culturally, I think that's an important image and idea, and bass a really useful metaphor for showing how cultures change and cultures exist and dynamic and are always moving and never static. So the idea of bass is a concept that's really important on lots of levels. Well, for me, drum and bass is important in terms of one of the main features of the music is its heavy bass, but also its speed. And I think it took elements from different aspects of Black Atlantic culture and music, techno, hip hop, reggae, but it kind of reframed them in a London context. And for me, one of the key features of that was its speed. And the speed just suggests coming from London, fast living, accelerated culture. Living and growing up in London is kind of a fast life. So I think in that sense, the speed of the music, the heaviness of the music could only really have come from London, but it's really pleasing at different cultural frameworks around the world, in Australia, in North America. They had their own interpretations of the music, and that points to, I guess, the importance of bass culture being something that's dynamic and static and changing, and being kind of essential and almost spiritual, but also being something that's specific to different people in different places. So that's why I connect drum and bass to London.